Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm not in Cape Coral, I'm not in Fort Myers. Like I always say in my videos also, I cover Southwest Florida. So today I got a couple of subscribers. They are looking for property on the water in Cape Coral. So the prices in Cape Coral have gone up in Gulf Access lots. So they are talking about this area here in Charlotte County. It's called South Gulf Cove, okay? It's in Port Charlotte, and I'm here to show you, what's here, and that way you can compare with my other videos of what Cape Coral looks like. I want you guys to comment which area you like best, and I can tell you that the lots here starts like 150,000, and there's a couple of them that are cheaper, but more or less they start like at 150,000 and up. I can see in this community here, you have the wall. I think when they build the community itself, they actually put the wall all throughout, because I can see on empty lots that they have the wall still. So with those prices, probably the lot will be the wall will be included in some of them. I don't know if the whole area has the wall, but at least the one that I'm looking at right now and going through, they all have the wall. Okay, so it's really nice area. It's nice and quiet. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go in my car and I'm gonna drive around this neighborhood located in Key West. Let me show you here in the map where I'm located. I'm standing right in this area here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in my car. I'm gonna drive around so you get to see what the neighborhood looks like. And you can compare it with what Cape Coral Gulf Access homes look like, the neighborhood looks like. I would like you, if you guys can comment, seeing if you like it more, like it less. And I'll be maybe talking around a little bit, if I see anything that I comparing it to Cape Coral that is, that if it compares or not. Okay, so let me get in the car. Give me a chance to go get inside my car and I'll start the video from the neighborhood, okay? I'm in my car and let's go. Okay, like I was saying before, I'm in Key West and Ruston Circle. And I'm gonna drive around, show you what this neighborhood looks like. The differences that I see from Cape Coral is that a lot of the lots are built have a lot of vegetation on them. Like over here on the right, these are dry lots. Let me turn over here so you can see the canal is pretty wide. This canal is pretty wide. The homes in Cape Coral, they're a little bit more expensive, and you can see a little bit bigger. They could be a little bit bigger. But this is just this street. I'm gonna drive around so we can see if everything stays like consistent like this. As you can see over here, they got, trailers parked outside. That's a no-no in Cape Coral. You got a mixture of older homes with the newer homes. That's something you see in Cape Coral too. Another thing that I noticed just getting here, it's a long way from 75 or 41. I didn't see too many shopping centers or supermarkets or restaurants nearby. See over here. They have a big RV in front of the house. It's another no-no in Cape Coral. So you got a little more freedom to put, stuff in front of your house. Check out this house. I like this house. When I was coming in, I saw this house. This house, it looks very nice. But as you can see, they have the boat right in front of the house. All of these homes that I'm showing you right now, they're all Gulf access. You can actually see there's a lot for sale right now here. This is one of the lots we were looking at. It's another home with another boat in front of the house. So check out this other home. They're building some very, very nice homes. So now I'm going to drive into another street just to see if we see something different. Check out the dogs over there. Make a turn over here. It kind of might look like a little bit like the northwest of Cape Coral, but you know, most of the lots in Cape Coral, they're clean. Okay, over here to your left, you have Gulf access homes. Remember below, please, if you're familiar with my other videos of Cape Coral or you're from Cape Coral itself, please tell me what you think in the comparisons. A little more here. If you're interested in this area, if you tend to like this area, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. We basically work more the Fort Myers, Lee County area. So over here we got agents that work in this area that can help you out. So if you have any questions, you know, to be more specific on this area, just feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372, and we'd be glad to hook you up with one of our agents that work this area. This is St. Paul Street. What I'm also gonna do, I'm gonna put a link below. See if I could do it with my Berkshire Hathaway website that covers the whole state. I'll be able to maybe do a search of just this area here so you could see the prices of the homes and more of the lots. So feel free to hit the link and on the description, and that way you will be able to see, you know, the home values and lot values of this area. And you know, like I showed you at the beginning, I showed you the map where we're located, so you get an idea. Let me slow down here so you can see the canals. Check it out. That's very nice. Over here we got a couple of newer homes. If you move forward in the video, this is South Gulf Cove in Charlotte County, Port Charlotte. Okay. It's amazing how everybody, they have actually the water on the back and they have the boat in front of the house. Check this one over here. Actually, that one looks like it has a parking for the boat in front of the house. Well, if you like parking your boat in front of your house and would like to have an RV, you know, I don't know if it's legal here, but they're doing it. Check out this nice one. And actually, that lot is for sale. No, it's cleared. Very nice homes. This street here looks a lot better than the other one that we were going through. The nicest homes are more frequent. Check this one out. I'm planning to do maybe more videos on Port Charlotte and Charlotte County, and also the new construction available here. So if you'd like to stay in touch with what's going here, I'm gonna have more videos available for you. So hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more. Well, here it's a home being built. That's something very different from Cape Coral, that for all the time that I've been driving around, this is the only home that I've seen that's been under construction. In Cape Coral, it's every turn you see a home being built. Oh, there's another one over there, so maybe this area here. Check out over here. They got a double car garage with an RV garage separated from the house. The house is over there, and here's where the garage is. That's a pretty nice setup they have there. It's a big lot, so they have a lot of wall for boat. This looks like a new home. And over here, to my right, looks like they're building a home over here. So this is on a dry lot. You see the construction, it's not as frequent as Cape Coral, but they're building. One of the things that's amazing is like this is a Gulf access lot covered with trees. I mean, you have to cut everything out. That's be an extra money you have to spend if you buy a lot like that. And here's another new construction. Well, I hope you find this video educational for what's available in the South Gulf Cove over here in Port Charlotte, Charlotte County. And remember, if you would like to see more videos like this, I'm going to be making a couple more from Port Charlotte and Charlotte County. So I have a lot of interest in this area here, so I'm starting to do more videos on this area too, so everybody gets to see a little bit of everything. And remember, if you need help, we got agents that can help you. Just give us a call at 239-410-7372, and we'll get somebody to work with you. Okay, so signing off from South Gulf Cove in Port Charlotte. See you on the next video.